Hey y'all. Today I made a hearty spaghetti with garlic bread that I found on Cowboy Kent Rollins' YouTube channel. I thought it looked absolutely delicious, so I decided to give it a try, and I am really glad that I did. I started by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat. I added 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef and seasoned it with salt and pepper to taste. And once the beef was partially browned, I added a 1/4 cup of chopped onion and continued cooking until the meat was fully browned. I then drained off most of the excess fat. Next, I stirred in 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. I used the empty tomato sauce cans to add 4 cans of water to the skillet. Then I added 2 packs of spaghetti sauce mix and 2 packets of brown gravy mix.
Ew!
Next time, make the gravy separate and then pour it in because there's chunks that didn't get stirred in. I covered the skillet and brought everything to a boil. Once it began boiling, I reduced the heat to a low simmer. This helped the sauce thicken nicely. While the sauce was simmering, I cooked 1 pound of spaghetti noodles according to the package directions. Once they were done, I drained them and set them aside. Hope it tastes good. Because the only 2 choices with spaghetti mix was a zesty spaghetti, which is the one I got, or a mushroom spaghetti mix. So probably should have gotten one of each. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't want it to taste bad. It looks good. It looks like canned chili. I'm nervous.
You good?
It's actually pretty good. That's good. It's not as zesty as I thought it would be.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to describe it though. It's got a richer...
Yeah, it's definitely richer.
Richer flavor.
Salty from the beef gravy.
The gravy, yeah.
Mm. Yeah, that's
good.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have just a tomato taste that you would...
There's a good balance.
That's delicious. Jinx. And jinx you. Alright, now I gotta plate this up. Make it all pretty.
Look at him. He's so cute and plushy.
Next, I moved on to the garlic bread. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I sliced 1 loaf of French bread in half lengthwise. In a bowl, I mixed together 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Good thing I'm using low-calorie mayo. This is a lot. I like mayo, but I hope I don't gag. This is a lot. I spooned the mixture over both halves of the bread and baked it for about 12 to 15 minutes until the bread was heated through and lightly golden on top. Once it was done, I let the bread cool slightly, sliced it, and served it alongside the spaghetti. Alright, we gotta taste test this bread. Can I go first?
You go first, man.
Alright, here we go. This spaghetti and garlic bread combo was simple, comforting, and absolutely worth trying. Dang, this dinner was good.
That sauce too?
Hold on. It does not taste like mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is really good when it's if you grill burgers, the burger buns, put mayonnaise on it before you do that.
Yeah. Grilled cheese too.
Grilled cheese, yep. It changes the flavor of the mayonnaise. It makes it, not sweeter. It changes the flavor. The sauce is salty. Good.
Okay. Great job.
Thanks. Yum. Oh. That was good. Alright, we're done.